and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. Thanks for stopping by. Today I will be unboxing a subscription from Fashom. This is the first time I've ever received a box from them, and the style fee is $20. It's just like most other services. You take the style quiz, you tell them your style, the prices you're comfortable with, and they range in sizes from, I think, extra small to 3X. Yeah. They do petites and maternity. So this is a box that you could do at any time in your life. Let's see, your first box is a $0 styling fee. So it costs you nothing to try this box right out of the gate. Something I do want to let you know is they donate $1 for each box that is bought, and they donate to the Second Chance Rescue in New York City. And as you all know, I have dogs and I'm a lover of dogs. And so this means a lot to me that they donate to a rescue. Well, what do you think? Should we get into it? All right. So to start with, you open the box and this is what you see. Hello, beautiful. I love it. And I'm going to assume my invoice and list of products are listed right on this sheet. I'm not gonna look at that right now. We're gonna open the box together and be surprised. Here's the bag. Anything that's unwanted, you put in the bag and you put it in the post office box. I was just checking if it was UPS or post office. Okay, so here we go. It's wrapped up nice with their purple sticker, their F sticker. Let's see how many items I got. Oh, some pretty colors and patterns. All right, let's start out with this one here. This is beautiful. Nice blue top, sleeveless. I'm kind of veering away from summer tops now that it's getting to be fall here in Wyoming. But this is really cute with the ruffle on the front. Not sure if you can really see that, but I'll try on all these pieces and then we'll discuss the prices and the fit. Okay, and this is from Mito Shop. I'm not familiar with that brand at all, but this is a size medium. It must run big because I wear a size large. All right, next item. Now this is from Natural Life. I've seen this brand before, and this is a great basic to have for fall. This is really nice. Yeah. This will look great under cardigans and even alone until it gets a little cooler. And this is a size large. So yeah, that first top must run big. Okay. So far so good. I'm liking what I see. Ooh, this is beautiful. I love the olive color in this. And I am so thrilled it has sleeves. Oh, it's really going towards fall for me. I love this. Wow, I'm so glad it's not sleeveless because I love the pattern. I love the pink and the olive put together. And let's see, who is this? Bon Ami. Yeah, and it is a size extra large. So we'll have to see, the sizes are kind of all over the place, but they must know the fit of their clothes. Okay, that's great. Oh, what a great way to start the fall. Okay, we've got another piece here. This looks like a basic. Oh, wow. This is from Geely. This is a one shoulder ruffle top. Very beautiful. This would be cute under a cardigan too. So after you're done in the summer wearing it for a sleeveless top, you can still utilize it in the fall and winter under your cardigans or jackets. So this is Geely and this is a size large. I can't wait to try this all on, but I'm always excited to try them on for you. I'm a clothes girl. I love clothes. My husband can attest to that. Oh, it looks like a dress. Look at this. Oh, how darn cute is that? I love it. And it gathers at the waist. Is a dress, right? Not a jumper. Yeah, it's a dress. let's see, who is this by? Umgee, U-M-G-E-E, and it is a size large. Great. Well, that's the bottom of the box. How many pieces did they send us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. All right, that's a great start and a great introduction to this company. So if you hang tight, we'll start trying all these pieces on. Okay, now we're gonna do some of the try-ons, and I can show you the items and speak to the quality of the items. So I'm just starting out with, these are just some comfy shorts of mine, and I wanted to put on the top. This is just one of the basics I thought would be really nice for fall. It's super soft. It's got a beautiful curved hem, which I really like. And the sleeves come down nicely, but it's not too loose. I think I'm going to exchange this top for a size up because it's just a little too body skimming for me and my comfort level. So I think I'm gonna hang on to this t-shirt. So I have my invoice here, and looking at the prices, if I were to keep this t-shirt, exchange it for a different size, it is $36.55. Now, that's if I keep 3 or more pieces. If I keep 5 or more pieces, it's 30% off, and this t-shirt would be $30. If I just buy 1 item or 2 items, the price of this t-shirt is $43, which I wouldn't pay. $43 is a lot for just a basic, no frills t-shirt. So why don't I change into this top, and then we can talk about that. Okay, so here we have this top with the olive flowers in it. I love this print. I love that it's a fake 3/4 sleeve. It doesn't come down so that it stays nice and crisp looking. Let's see, this top is 15% off would be $35.70. At 30% off would be $29, and the full regular price is $42. Now, this top is nice quality. It's not see-through like some of these lighter weight tops. And I love the length of the sleeve very much. The only thing is it's a little tight. So it would seem I need to size up with Fashom. Here's the back, and I'm really not happy to show you that, but I'm going all out here. So I love the top. I love the red accents. I wouldn't have imagined putting red accents with this, but it is simply gorgeous. What do you all think? I want to know what this looks like. Does a large look okay? Or should I bump up to an extra large? Because right now I'm thinking bumping up to the extra large, but I really love this top, so I know I'm keeping it or exchanging it. Thanks, and I'll move on to the next top. Before I do, let me talk about 2 of the pieces. Now this is the Geely top, the shoulder ruffle top. Cute, but I could barely get it on, and this was a size large. Now this Geely top is $37.40 if I buy 3 items, $30.80 if I buy 5 items. If I buy just 1 or 2 items, it's $44. I did squeeze myself into it, but I'm not showing anybody what I look like. And did I love the top enough to maybe exchange it? I can't say that I did. So I know this is a no. Then we come to this cute, super, super cute dress. I love it, and you all know how I feel about pockets. Yes, it has pockets. This, I buttoned it up till I got about here, and it was all over. Now this is a large. I don't even think I could get an extra large to fit me in this, but I think I'm gonna give it a go. I know I'm exchanging a few pieces, so I'm going to ask for this dress in an extra large, because this in the winter months with a cardigan over it would be super cute. And who doesn't love denim for the fall? I mean, come on. This would be so cute. The back, even with the gathering, is cute. So I'm not going to be trying this on for you, but if I decide to exchange it, I'll keep you updated. that means we have one more top to try on, and I'll get that on in just a minute. I forgot to mention the price on this, $38.25 if I buy 3 or more pieces, $31.50 if I buy 5 or more pieces. $31 for a denim dress is really good price. Now, if I just bought 1 or 2 items, this item would be $45, which I think is a very good price for a dress. I pay $45 for it. So here's the next top. Now, I'm not sure if you can see the details, the ruffle that goes all the way down the center and it goes up the neckline. It's really cute. It fits very well, and get this, it's a medium. So they do know their designers and whether they fit big or fit small. I know with Stitch Fix, I wear all extra large. Now, Wantable, I wear a size large. Here, I have a feeling I wear an extra large also. And then, to be real honest, we just got back from vacation and, well, I didn't work out on vacation and put on a little extra fluff. So anyways, this top is cute, fits really well, but to be completely honest with you, I don't need it. I have a lot of blue or navy tops that have floral patterns, and I'm really not looking for more sleeveless blue floral shirts to go into the fall with. I am looking more for the short sleeve, 3/4 sleeve. So cute shirt, and let's see how much it is for this shirt. All right, the ruffle front shirt for 15% off. If I bought 3 or more pieces, this would be $35.70. If I bought 5 or more pieces, this would be 30% off, and it would be $29.40. Now, if I bought this top outright, it would be $42. I have to say that their prices are very comparable to Stitch Fix. The quality is definitely there to rival Stitch Fix and Wantable. So it looks like I'm going to be exchanging 3 items. Not bad, considering this is my very first Fashom box. I look forward to getting more. And I want to thank you all very much for spending time with me. Please, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget about the little notification bell. Thank you again, and take care.